Hey everybody, today we're at Conwinience and I'm here with Kush.
Hi guys, we're a small business. We're located in the Sobeys Plaza. We're right next to Starbucks. We're a convenience store with a little bit of twist. We're also a specialty candy store and build your own sundae with Kawartha ice cream store as well. We have hundreds of bulk candies, specialty bulk, jelly bellies, different kinds of sodas from all around the world, nostalgic back in the day candies, chocolates from UK, some US ones, and some neat stuff. If you like, please come on in and sample some candy, and hope to see you.
Oh, well, thanks very much, Kush.
Thanks
I appreciate that, and I know that our kids are coming here, you know, once every couple of weeks. But yeah, it's do a fantastic store here.
Thanks a lot.
Today.
Bye.
Thank you.